What if I told you you could turn your phone into a spy tool, clone a keycard in seconds, or even eavesdrop through walls, all using gadgets that cost less than lunch? And the craziest part, you can actually buy them right now on Amazon. And today, we dive into 30 illegal hacking gadgets on Amazon. Gadgets 30. Proxmark 3. Proxmark 3 is one of the most powerful RFID and NFC research tools available to security enthusiasts. It can read, analyze, emulate, and test a wide variety of RFID technologies, including both low-frequency 125 kHz systems and high-frequency 13.56 MHz cards commonly used in offices, hotels, and access control systems. Gadgets 29. Wi-Fi Pineapple. Wi-Fi Pineapple is a wireless auditing device designed to help security professionals identify weaknesses in Wi-Fi networks. It can simulate wireless attacks in controlled environments, helping organizations understand how attackers may target insecure wireless systems. Gadget 28. RFID Reader. Module RC522. The RC522A RFID Reader module is one of the most affordable and beginner-friendly tools for learning RFID technology. Operating at 13.56 MHz, it works with many MyFair-compatible cards and integrates easily with Arduino and ESP32 development boards. Because it's inexpensive and easy to program, the RC522 is often the first RFID tool many aspiring hardware hackers experiment with. Gadget 27. Croc. Croc is a hardware security assessment device designed to demonstrate the risks associated with physical access to computers. It records keyboard activity and helps security professionals evaluate how vulnerable systems may be to unauthorized hardware devices. Studying tools like this helps learners understand that cybersecurity extends beyond software and networks into the physical world. Gadget 26. IC Card Reader. An IC card reader is a versatile device used to communicate with smart cards, access badges, and chip-based identification systems. It connects to a computer through USB and allows users to study how card-based authentication systems operate. Beginners can use this tool in a practical way to explore digital identity systems and authentication technologies. Learning how access permissions are stored, how smart cards communicate with readers, and how modern security systems use cryptography to protect sensitive information. It's an excellent introduction to identity and access management concepts. Gadget 25. SharkJack. SharkJack is a portable network auditing device designed to automate network assessments. Once connected to a network during an authorized security engagement, it can quickly gather information about network configurations and connected devices. SharkJack offers an introduction to network reconnaissance and security auditing. It demonstrates how quickly information can be gathered when network access is obtained and why organizations must carefully secure network infrastructure. Gadget 24. USB Killer Pro Kit. USB Killer Pro Kit is a hardware testing device created to evaluate how well electronic equipment is protected against electrical surges. It highlights the importance of hardware-level security and protection mechanisms. This tool serves primarily as an educational example of hardware security risks. It teaches new users that cybersecurity is not limited to software attacks and that physical hardware vulnerabilities can also cause significant damage. Understanding these risks helps learners appreciate the importance of hardware protections and secure device design. Gadget 23. Ubertooth 1. Ubertooth 1 is an open-source platform for Bluetooth and Bluetooth low-energy research. It enables users to observe and analyze Bluetooth communications in real time. Ubertooth 1 provides a fascinating introduction to wireless communications. You can learn how Bluetooth devices discover each other, establish connections, and exchange information. It also helps students understand the security challenges facing modern wireless devices, such as smartwatches, fitness trackers, and IoT devices. Gadget 22. Lawmate PV-RC400 UW4K Ultra HD Key Fob Covert Camera. This looks like a normal car remote, but it contains a tiny camera, microphone, battery, and storage memory that allow it to record video, audio, and take photos. Because it blends in with everyday objects, it can be used to capture events and conversations without drawing attention. The recordings are stored internally and can later be transferred to a computer or other device. For folks new to hacking, this gadget demonstrates the concept of covert surveillance. the collection of information through hidden observation. Gadget 21. Dual-band Wi-Fi USB adapter. A dual-band Wi-Fi USB adapter is one of the most important tools for anyone interested in wireless networking and cybersecurity. Supporting both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies, it provides flexibility for network analysis and troubleshooting. This device is often the first step into wireless security. It allows students to learn about wireless traffic, network discovery, signal strength, and Wi-Fi architecture. Combined with tools such as Wireshark, it can help users visualize how wireless communication works and build a solid networking foundation. Gadget 20. Packet Squirrel. Packet Squirrel is a compact network testing tool designed to capture and analyze network traffic during authorized security assessments. It provides valuable insights into how data moves through networks. Gadget 19. SIM-Maker. SIM-Maker is a specialized device used to analyze and test SIM card technologies within controlled research environments. It helps researchers better understand how mobile identity and authentication systems function. For people interested in mobile security, SIM-related tools provide insight into how cellular networks identify users and protect communications. Learning about SIM technology introduces students to mobile authentication, telecommunications security, and the infrastructure that powers modern mobile networks. Gadget 18. RFID T5577. Key fobs. RFID T5577. Key fobs are rewritable RFID tags commonly used for RFID learning and development projects. They can be programmed and reprogrammed multiple times, making them ideal for experimentation. These key fobs provide a low-cost way to practice RFID concepts. They allow learners to explore how identifiers are stored, transmitted, and recognized by access control systems. Because they are reusable, they are perfect for repeated testing and educational demonstrations. Gadget 17. Data Blocker. Data Blocker is a simple but effective privacy tool that allows devices to charge while preventing data transfer. It blocks the data pins inside a USB connection and permits only electrical power to pass through. Understanding how a small adapter can protect against data theft teaches an important lesson. Sometimes the simplest security tools provide the most effective protection. Gadget 16. Wi-Fi Nugget. Wi-Fi Nugget is a small educational platform built on ESP8266 or ESP32 hardware that helps users learn wireless networking concepts through hands-on experimentation. For beginners, it's one of the most approachable tools for learning about Wi-Fi technology. Its user-friendly interface and interactive features make it easy to explore wireless communication, network discovery, and security fundamentals. It transforms complex wireless concepts into practical learning experiences, making it a favorite among cybersecurity students and hobbyists. Gadget 15. Hacking Elite Cable. The Hacking Elite Cable looks just like a regular USB charging cable, but hidden inside is a powerful payload system. It can act as a keyboard, typing out scripts the moment it's plugged into a computer, allowing it to install software, change settings, or extract data within seconds. Gadget 14. CyberChatter. CyberChatter is a compact radio frequency scanner designed to pick up and analyze unencrypted RF signals from devices like remotes, sensors, and walkie-talkies. It's a beginner-friendly gadget. It's popular among electronics enthusiasts and security testers who want to explore how common household gadgets communicate wirelessly. Gadget 13. M5 Stick. M5 Stick is a mini development kit based on the ESP32 chip equipped with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, a display, and multiple sensors. It's used for building small portable IoT projects and has become popular in the hacking community for crafting compact network scanners, IR controllers, or data loggers, programmable in MicroPython and Arduino. Gadget 12. RFID Writer Kit with Tags. RFID Writer Kit with Tags includes everything you need to start experimenting with RFID technology. It typically comes with a USB-powered writer, a few blank cards or fobs, and sometimes a reader for verification. Using this kit, users can read a compatible RFID tag, copy its identifier, and write it to a blank one within seconds. Gadget 11. ESP Key. ESP Key is a tiny Wi-Fi-enabled device built on the ESP8266 microcontroller. It can be programmed for a variety of networking and IoT projects and supports integration with technologies such as MQTT, HTTP, and custom APIs. It's highly programmable, compact, and a great example of how powerful modern microcontrollers have become. Gadget 10. Universal Remote Control. A universal remote control might seem like a simple household gadget, but it can be a surprisingly useful tool in technology demonstrations and especially to beginners. How so? With infrared capabilities, it can mimic commands for TVS, air conditioners, projectors, and other IR-based devices. Some models allow users to program custom IR codes, making them useful for learning how infrared communication works and how consumer electronics respond to remote commands. Gadget 9. Blue Driver. Blue Driver is a professional-grade OBD2 scanner that connects to your car's diagnostic port and transmits real-time data to a smartphone app. While it's mainly used for vehicle maintenance and error code reading, it can also be a valuable tool for automotive security research. Gadget 8. Thetis Pro. Thetis Pro is a biometric USB security key designed to enhance digital security through hardware-based authentication. It supports FIDO2 and U2F protocols, making it compatible with major platforms such as Google, Facebook, and Microsoft for passwordless login. By requiring physical presence to authenticate, it helps protect against phishing, keyloggers, and account takeovers. Gadget 7. LoRa ESP32 V3. The LoRa ESP32 V3 is a development board that combines the power of an ESP32 microcontroller with LoRa long-range communication capabilities. It allows users to build low-power, long-range IoT networks that operate independently of Wi-Fi. Gadget 6. IODDST400. The IODDST400 is a virtual drive emulator that lets users mount ISO, VHD, and other disk image files directly from a USB device. It emulates an actual physical hard drive or optical disk, allowing you to boot into various operating systems or run forensic tools without needing multiple USB sticks. Gadget 5. Punkt M P02. Punkt M P02 is a minimalist mobile phone built with privacy and security in mind. It supports encrypted messaging apps like Signal and strips away unnecessary features to reduce digital distractions and exposure. Favored by journalists, activists, and cybersecurity professionals, it's a daily driver that balances communication and control. With a clean interface, physical keypad, and hardened operating system. Gadget 4. Packet Sniffer. A packet sniffer is a tool used to intercept and analyze data traveling over a network. These devices or applications capture traffic in real time, allowing users to study protocols, monitor data flow, and detect vulnerabilities. Often used in penetration testing and network diagnostics, packet sniffers can help uncover weak encryption, expose credentials, or identify unauthorized access attempts. Gadget 3. Hardware Keylogger. A hardware keylogger is a discrete device that captures every keystroke typed on a connected keyboard. It sits between the keyboard and the computer, logging text silently without the need for drivers or software. Used in security testing and digital forensics, it demonstrates how physical access to a machine can lead to data compromise. Gadget 2. Simimark Ghost. Sensor Device. The Simimark Ghost sensor device is an electromagnetic field (EMF) detector, often marketed for ghost hunting, but surprisingly useful in signal detection and RF research. It detects changes in electromagnetic fields, helping users identify hidden electronics, wireless devices, or areas of unusual activity.
Gadget 1. MeshTaste IoT.
MeshTaste IoT is a compact development board geared toward building custom smart devices and automation systems based on platforms like ESP32. It offers Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity along with multiple GPIO pins for sensor and actuator integration. Developers and hackers use it to prototype everything from smart home gadgets to custom network tools. And there you have it. 30 fascinating, powerful, and surprising gadgets that show just how far affordable hacking technology has come. And remember, with great tools comes great responsibility. Learn smart, stay ethical, and stay safe. From RFID technology to network analysis, Bluetooth research to hardware security, every item on this list has the potential to teach, test, and transform the way we understand digital security. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and drop a comment below with the gadget you found most interesting or the one you'd add to your own toolkit. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.